Hello friends, I am discuss about the system bus. Mm, System bus. The system bus টা কি প্রথমে আমাদের এটা জানা দরকার যে তো the CPU send various data variables introduction and information to all device and component inside the computer. তো বলা হয়েছে সিস্টেমের মধ্যে একটা কম্পিউটারের মধ্যে বিভিন্ন ডিভাইস থাকে। তো ওগুলোর মধ্যে আমাদের যে কানেকশন করতে যাই তাহলে আমাদের সিস্টেম বাস দরকার। যেমন মেমোরি র্যাম, আদার ডিভাইস and the connect the bus the different buses bus. If I can see the motherboard, you can see the whole network line and the wire, some electrical wire to join the different component. Is called bus and is called bus. And what is bus? The bus is communication pathway to connect the two or more devices. A characteristics of a bus that a shared transmission medium and multiple device connect to the bus in single transmission by another one device is available for um, discussion by all the other device attached into the bus. Mm, the system bus that the system must connect the major computer component like processor, RAM, memory, and I/O device. Mm, the, there are three type of system bus like that data bus, control bus, mm, con- control bus and address bus. The address bus, you can see the data bus. What is data bus? The a collection of on the wire thought which data transmission from one path of a computer to another. The database can thought on the of a highway on which data travels on a computer. Mm, they connect to all the computer component to CPU and the main memory. Database are consist of 32, 64 and 128 or even more surface line. Mm, Database are carry some information or data into the CPU to memory or memory to the CPU or the other device. Address bus, the collection of wire mm, address address bus, a collection of the wires to use to identify the in a particular location. Mm, Main memory is called the address bus. For example, the information used to describe the main memory, the location, travels, and above the address buses. Clearly, the weight of the control bus determine the maximum possibility memory capacity mm, of the system. The address bus locate mm, the data come in the database is which location is stored in the memory, and if any data need CPU, and which address mm, store this data in this, and is track the location. This the address bus, that the control bus. See, the control bus would be the databus and address bus line are shared by all components. Three most be main of the controlling their use. Mm, the control line regular are activity on the buses. Mm, they control the signal transmission, both both of the command and timing information among system modules. The control bus carries the signal that report the status of various devices. The control bus are control the whose location are stored the data, and address bus is located on this address, and data bus they carry the all information carry one information, and the location and memory and control bus or control database and address bus, the which time and the where to you can the address locate the data or information. Where we use three type of buses. Mm, if the make CPU, the memory, memory, the input box, the like enter execute the if CPU the input 1 or 10, like 10 it is input by keyboard, the keyboard is come input box by database, and if uh, database if I store in the memory, uh, the control bus on the locate the memory where is it stored. The CPU then send the control by a database, data sent by database, the at which location is stored. It is controlled by control bus, control and which location is stored, and then it's done by address bus. Store by address bus. And the three buses the work like this, and the no more today. And thanks for watching the video.